Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are a business person who want to make some sales this season, or you want to make some money through your business and grow your business, then this video would be of immense help to you. And if you are a young person also who want to make some money online by offering media buying services, that is, if you want to help other businesses to make sales and grow their business by offering them your service of helping them to run advertisements online, then you find this video helpful. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do and how you need to attract more customers to your business and make more sales in this season using Facebook adverts. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up so that more people get to see this video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this on this channel, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos like this one. Now, guys, without wasting time, let's dive straight into it. Let me show you the steps you need to take and the exact things and strategies you need to deploy for you to be able to make more sales this season and for you to be able to make more sales that will grow your business using Facebook ads. So the normal way you create ad, right? You click on create right here on your ads manager. You click on create because we all know that Facebook is the biggest advertising platform currently. More is likely to come up. More platforms might come up. There's YouTube, there's Instagram, there's Google. Of course, there's also influencer marketing and stuff. But Facebook at the moment is the biggest advertising platform because they own Facebook and Instagram. So whatever we are doing here on Facebook is also applicable on Instagram, right? So you click on create. Here, if you are a business owner who do not have a website, you only have your business online, probably an Instagram business profile and a Facebook business profile or whatever, the most convincing, or rather the best objective for you to use at this moment is for you to use the messages objective. Now, this serves two purposes. It's either you get messages on your Instagram DM, all right? It's either you prompt people to send you messages in the DM, or you drive people from Facebook or from Instagram straight to your WhatsApp, where you close these sales. Okay? Listen, if you own a business and you don't have a website, but you still want to make sales, because even if you don't have a website, you can still make sales. People who have a website, most times they don't even make a lot of sales on their website, especially here in Africa, right? So WhatsApp is a big thing, it's a big deal over here. A lot of people, in fact, almost everybody check their WhatsApp daily. So businesses are being closed, deals are being closed on WhatsApp. So if you have an online presence, like an Instagram business profile, Facebook page and stuff, and you want to make sales, but you don't have a website, you will need to use the messages objective. This is the message here. Show people ads that allow them to engage with you, either on Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram direct. So it's self-explanatory there. Your advert is going to be shown to people who would contact you in your DM, either on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp, or on Instagram direct. Now, if you choose WhatsApp and it's your first time of running adverts to WhatsApp, that is, if you have not created an advert for WhatsApp before, if this is your first time, you are going to encounter a slight issue, right? Facebook is going to tell you that messages that direct to WhatsApp cannot be created at this time. You can do that after following some Facebook, blah, 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 one thing news like that, all right? Do not be worried, not be worried. What this simply means is that because it is your first time, you are not allowed to create an advert that takes people to WhatsApp, because Facebook believes that WhatsApp is a personal space. It's a personal space and they treat it as such. They treat it as such with respect. So you don't just take people to your own personal space just like that. Facebook need to be sure that you are genuine, that you are a good business, and that you are human too, right? So what they do is that what you should do is that you will have to run a different kind of advert, probably traffic advert, or drive people to your Instagram DM or Facebook Messenger, right? You need to just run a different kind of advert. In this situation, I advise that you create an advert that sends people to either your Instagram DM or Facebook Messenger, all right? I need to maintain this advert for a period of 30 days at least. So you need to create this advert and maintain it for a period of at least 30 days. After that, you will not be able to unlock the feature of sending people to your WhatsApp. So this is for people who have not used WhatsApp before, or people who encounter this error of ads or messages cannot be directed to WhatsApp at the moment until after you have followed Facebook policy procedure, just kind of news like that, right? So you need to use a different kind of advert that directs people, first of all, to the Instagram DM or to the Messenger for a period of 30 days at least before you can now be able to run ads that will take people to WhatsApp. But if you have been creating advert to WhatsApp before, then you will not experience this issue. Yeah, you will not experience this issue. I just thought I should let you know this. So once that is done, the next thing you need to do is to use the message objective for your WhatsApp, right? Another option is if you own a website, if you have a business that has a website, or you have a landing page, a sales page where people can go and place orders, then you don't have any business using these other objectives. You simply use the conversion objective. All right? By conversion, you are simply telling Facebook to show your adverts to people who are most likely to take valuable actions. These actions are like buying something from you, right? So that is why the people use conversion objective. Especially if you do things like e-commerce, affiliate marketing and stuff like that, or if you own a business that has a website where people go and place orders, or you have a sales page where people go and read about what you sell, about your offer and place orders, you have to use the conversion objective. But if you also have a business where you have a physical store and you want people to come to your store because probably you have an offer, you have a slash sale, you have a massive Christmas awoof sale, you have any kind of sale that you are offering, right? You use this store traffic objective here. It is going to show your advert to people most likely to visit your physical store when they are near them. So once you use this objective, it means that you have sales going on, like you have a massive Christmas promo, this sale, clearance sale and stuff like that. So you need people to visit your store to come and make their selections and make a purchase. That is when you use this store traffic. Once you use the store traffic, it's going to drive people. People who will see the advert would most likely visit your store to buy your clearance sales, to buy what you are selling, as far as it is something that they're interested in. All right. So these are the things you need to pay attention to. If you're a small business owner who want to make sales, who want to make money and grow your business, you don't have any business with using brand awareness adverts or reach adverts. Okay. So that is it. So if you want to drive people to WhatsApp and make sales, the first thing you need to do, the first step is for you to have your creative and for you to create an offer. Your offer, because people buy more when there is an offer. You are able to sell faster when you have an offer. Okay? An offer could be buy 2 of this and get this free, or buy this phone and get this power bank for free, or buy this phone and you get an AirPod or an headset for free. These are offers. So if business person A and business person B are selling the same kind of products, business person A is selling a smartphone, right? Just the phone. You buy the phone, you go. While business person B is selling the same phone, but is giving you a free AirPod or a free headset or something like that. You will notice that business person B will make more sales because he's making an offer. He's offering you a free item when you buy this one. Okay, so these are the differences. So you need to first of all create an offer. The offer must not be a free item. It could be a free shipping, free delivery. It could be buy 2, get this one. It could be servicing. If you sell electronics or electricals, and it's likely that this thing might develop faults within a period of time, you can offer to give your customers free servicing for the next 6 months. They are going to definitely buy from you. You can offer free installation. It depends on what you are selling. If you sell clothes, jewelries and stuff, you can offer free handband or free neck piece. Do you understand? Or free customized whatever it is that you want to give them. So these are the things that makes people want to buy from you faster. And when you are giving free things, you have to put a limited time to it so that people don't abuse it. Once you tell them that you're getting this for free, but this offer is only available for a limited time, and you let them know the time that's available. All right. So once you have created the offer, once you have your offer, and then you also have your creative. This season, it is best that you make videos. Videos convert better than pictures, from my experience, from the stuff that I have done on Facebook. I've noticed that using videos for small businesses, where you show yourself, you show your business, you show what you do, you show what your prospects stand to gain. People can easily connect and relate with you on that level. They see you, they interact with you. It builds a certain kind of connection between you and your intent and your prospects, people who you want to convert to customers. All right. And also make sure that your page, your profile is well optimized. Make sure that your social media profile is well optimized. Don't make your profile look so mechanical. All right. Let there be life on your profile. People who visit your profile, they should see your pictures, they should see your video, they should see that you have a life. They should be able to interact with you. They should be able to connect with you on different levels. All right. So that when you're running this advert with a video, people can easily interact with you. When they visit your profile, it is easier for them to buy from you. Once you have all of this done, the next thing to do is to go ahead and set up the advert. You have your video. You have to be agile, active. Be active in the video. Be active. Show yourself. Show that you are a human. If you're selling this, tell them that you're selling this. This is what I sell. This is what you stand to gain. This is how to buy it. This is how to place your order. And this is what you will get when you buy this. Be yourself. Speak to the camera. Speak to the camera by yourself. Don't pay anyone to do the video for you. Do the video by yourself. Let it be as real as it gets. If you can't do it by yourself, then probably let one of your member of staff, do the video for you. Once you have done that, then you use the messages objective here to create your adverts and send them to either Instagram, DM, Messenger, or WhatsApp, and you are good to go. You are going to make a whole lot of sales this season, because when you sell via WhatsApp, people easily connect with you, and then you tell them to save your number while you save theirs, and they can also be viewing your status, and then you can be selling through WhatsApp status updates. Okay. Now, if you want to learn how to create proper adverts how to create WhatsApp adverts, how to create Instagram adverts, that is advert that send people to Instagram DM, because I must advise you, when you're running adverts on Instagram, do not send people to your profile. It's of no point. Don't send people to your profile. Send them to DM. Use a call to action. When you send them to your profile, it doesn't make any sense. But when you send them to your DM, they're able to start a conversation that would likely lead to sales. So always send people to your DM on Instagram. All right. If you want to learn how to run advert to WhatsApp, to Instagram DM, to Messenger, and all of this, if you want to learn how to run proper adverts, I've made videos on that on this channel. I will link them in the description below. Facebook advert to your WhatsApp, Facebook advert to your Instagram, and Facebook advert for small businesses. Okay, I will link them in the description below. And I've also created Facebook advert for e-commerce and affiliate marketing. I'll link them in the description below. You go there and click any of the one you'd like to watch them, learn the steps and the process, go ahead and implement them. And I assure you, you're going to get good results and you're going to make good sales in this season. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment below. I'll be here to answer you, to attend to your questions. If you have any comments, if you have any concerns, use the comment here and I'll be here to guide you and to answer your questions. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video with as many people you know that's going to find it helpful. All right. Thank you for sticking with me on this ride. I will see you in my next video. Check the video description now to watch all those videos on how to create proper adverts for small business, for WhatsApp, for Instagram. And I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.